Zoe, who's on the box? Who is it? Cookie? Can you say Cookie? Yeah. What does Cookie Monster say? Yeah, Cookie. C is for Cookie. Yeah. You like Cookie Monster? Yeah. What does Elmo say? What does Elmo say, Zoe? Yeah, la 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. Yeah, I love you. I love you. I love you. Zoe. What do you see, Pumpkin? The TV. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Whoop. Up, yeah, that's a good word. Oh, what are you trying to say? What do you want to tell me? You trying to say outside? Outside. Yeah, outside. You want to come up? You say up? Up. Guess what? Up, good, come here. Guess what, Zoe? It's Mommy's birthday today. Say happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. You're the best birthday present in the whole world.